Today I'd like to discuss a little of the design detail for a custom designed backlight for the NUIO keyboard. I have it here. This is a 0.3 millimeter thick backlight assembly that we custom designed to fit the product. Has one for each side of the product, left and right. The light guide has been optimized to provide uniform brightness around the keys. We have premium color matched LEDs that provide the lighting. And let me show you what that looks like in the product. We have an incremental backlight control up to the top. And you can shut it completely off at the lowest setting. That's the backlight design for the NUIO keyboard.